Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Janai. So today I will be discussing what is Hugging Face. So simply Hugging Face is a common repository for openly available models, primarily for free access. So this is one common repository where you can get all the publicly available models for free of cost. So we don't need to pay anything. So why everyone should know about Hugging Face? Like what is the exact use of Hugging Face? So in the last video, I have discussed like how to access LLMs in three ways. So basically, first, one of the ways to use web platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, or second way is like using APIs for developer. But the third way is like without no cost. So we can use Hugging Face over paid APIs. So it eliminates the need to pay for API access or deal with usage limitations. So there is a lot of scope for Hugging Face models where it hosts a vast and a growing number of models, over 2 million models. And companies and organizations, including Google and Microsoft. So today our agenda is to quickly walk through the Hugging Face website, and I will describe like what is models, or what are the different tasks, and I will explain a model categorized by task. Like I will describe like what is playground, what are the parameters included inside it. So before starting our session, if you didn't subscribe my channel, just please like, share, and subscribe my video. And let's start our session today. So what is a model? So model is an AI software which can generate new content like audio, video, images, text, coding, etc. So right now in Hugging Face, like it has around 2 million models. So here models are categorized on task. So if you see a task, we have there are different kinds of tasks. So first one is like multimodal. So multimodal is nothing but generating um, data in various aspects like audio text to text, image text to text, visual question answering, document questioning answering, video text to text. And here we have a computer vision. Computer vision like depth estimation, image classification, object detection, image segmentation, text to image. And also we have like natural language processing task. So these are the core LLM tasks. So basically from NLP, LLMs or evolved. So mainly in NLP we have like text classification, token classification, table questioning. And also we have some tasks related to audio and some other tasks. So if you see the languages, it will support a lot of languages, like around 4,748 languages as of now. So this includes like English, Chinese, French, Spanish, Korean, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, all everything. And if you see here, if you want to work on any data sets, so it has some data sets available in this Hugging Face, which are open source. So if you see the tasks, so it also has like if you want to work on any multimodal tasks, so it will provide and some computer vision and natural language processing. So here, one thing I would like to discuss is if we go to models. So here you can see parameters. So parameters is nothing but a you can call it like a feature or a column in a data set. So basically, suppose like if you want to work on less than 1 billion parameters, so just drag it, and it will reset models which is less than 1 billion parameters. Suppose like if you want to work on 12 billion parameters, so it will list you accordingly. So this all about models and data sets and tasks in Hugging Face. Next, I will be discussing how we can access model, like what exactly is present in model, so how we can implement in our code base. Now try to get to know about like what is spacious tab. So here, like it will show you. apps are related to tasks. Suppose like if you want to know any app related to image generation, just click on image generation. So it will like list out all the apps based on the task. So here I have opened like a Hunyan image. So basically, like you can see, this app provides three main functionalities: text to image generation, generate high quality images from text prompts, and prompt enhancement, image refinement. So this is about like a spaces tab. And if we go to community, so in community, like yes, like blog articles, social posts, daily papers. Like, so if you want to read any articles related to this Hugging Face, like Gen AI, what is going around, so you can go through these pages. So here in docs, like basically it's a technical documentation for various aspects like hub and client libraries, deployment and inference, core ML libraries. Like, so these are the main so transformers. So which is that basically it's an architecture. So mainly LLM revolves around this transformer architecture. So here you can see a lot of things available in this documentation. And if you want to go for any enterprise subscription, so you can use this thing. So this all about the main tabs and functionalities in Hugging Face. So now I will walk you through how we can access model. How we can get to know about model. So I will explain a sample model by selecting one task. Suppose so here I want to work on task generation. So just click on task. So these are the models available, so related to text generation. So just you can scroll down, if you like any, suppose like I will uh, like to know about this model. So here, so this is mainly used for text generations, and it says like it is working on, it is based on, so it is based on transformer architecture, and it has used a PyTorch language. It used a Python library, and it is supported in 8 languages. And you can see it belongs to Facebook company. So if you scroll down, so you can see some model information. So it says like Meta Llama 3.1 collection of multilingual large language models is a collection of pre-trained and instruction tuned generative models in 8 billion, 70 billion, and 405 sizes. So as I said earlier, like all these models are pre-trained models. And if you see the model developer, Meta, so Meta is like a Facebook. So Meta company is developed this model, and it will show you all the details, like what is the training data, how many parameters are included in this um, model, and it will show you like in these languages it is supported. So English, German, French, Italian, Portuguese, and so if you scroll down, so yeah, this is the main. So if you suppose like if you want to try, if you want to work on this model, so simply like you can copy this code, and you can run in your code base. So simply it says like you want to import transformer architecture, transformer library and torch. So model ID, so nothing but the name which is shown here. So the name itself is the model ID here. And then so this is a simple snippet, so how you can run. So it will tell all the detailed information about this model. So it will tell about like software, hardware things, everything. So and if you see on the right side here, so they have given you a sample UI interface. So before working on this model, you can test here. It's like suppose if you want to Can you generate 10 lines about today? So simply like it will generate um, text based on your query. And so one more thing you should know here is so here it's you can open playground. So open playground, it is nothing but a UI interface or like whatever you're seeing in ChatGPT or Gemini. So simply here, like you can test the model, so you can ask whatever the question you want. And here it has some parameters. So temperature. So this temperature parameter is nothing but how random text you want in your text generation. And you can set how many tokens you need. And so here top p parameter is nothing but it influence the probability of next word. So and here so this all about the open playground. And one more thing you want to know is here. So suppose like if you want to switch to another model, so just click on this tab and simply you can test another tab also. And one more feature here is like so you can compare two models at a time. So suppose here I am comparing this metal armor with Quen 3 next. So this all about open playground. And one more important thing is so before testing this open playground, so you should know how to create a access token. So if you click on this profile icon, so you can get the access token. So here, suppose you want to create new token, just click on here, just give a token name, something like Python. So here it has like three variations. So one is fine grained. Suppose like it will restrict permission based on the some categories. So here like you want to read access to contents of all repos under your personal namespace. So just click on this. This all about fine grained and read permission is nothing but like so this token has only read only access to your organization resources and can make calls to inference providers. And write is nothing but this can has a read and write access, so it will get both access. So right now I'm creating a write access token, so just a create token, so just copy it. So if you want to paste anywhere, so just done. So this all about hugging face. So if you suppose if you want to work on any LLMs, so if you have if you don't want to pay any money to APIs, so you can just use these models which are pre-trained models. So you can test it before working on that. So alright guys, this is all about a Hugging Face. So if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.